Okay, in today's video, I'm so super excited to share with you a project that has been underway for about a month. And it's so gorgeous outside in the back garden. And I just want to take you along. I want to show you, showcase it, and then just kind of show you a couple of what an average day of my chores in the garden are like. But I just really want to share this with you, and I hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned.
Your number, baby, I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours?
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
this. I hope you enjoyed this little tour, and you know, it's just becoming more and more what I see in my head as the finished product. And what, now that I've got so much of the hardscape parts of the garden done, you know, now this pathway is kind of one of the last hardscape parts that I wanted to finish. Now it's just about creating that depth and the layers of plants, and the, you know, now I'm working on more of, you know, ground covers, and, you know, going by different stages of heights of the different plants, you know, so you're not seeing as much rock and, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm just like really enjoying where I'm at with the garden, and understanding that, you know, a garden like this takes time. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, and it just takes an established garden is going to just be an ever-going type of situation. So I am just so thrilled and so happy, and just enjoying, even though it's getting hot here in Arizona, and it's, you know, just kind of getting a little harder to be just, you know, out in the garden as much. It just is so beautiful, and I'm hoping that you like this idea of the pots on top of my post. You know, I was at Costco, and I ran in there and I said, oh my god, I think I could make this work. But then I got them, because I was like, you know, with Costco, if you don't get it and you go back and you decide, oh yeah, I want to get that now, and you go back, it's gonna be gone. So I went ahead, and they came, it was like $14.99 for a package of 5. So I knew I needed 10, because I had 10 posts, so it was perfect, 2 packages. But, you know, when I got home, I started thinking, oh my gosh, what if, you know, in monsoons and winds, it just blows over, and then I'm gonna lose all these. And so I brought it out to the guys that helped me in the yard, and they're like, well, yeah, it's gonna help, you know, to have dirt in there, you know, it's gonna make it heavier, but why don't we drill them down, you know, like into the post, you know, like screw them down into the post. And I was like, that's a great idea. So I think I've got it to where it's, you know, secure. We just have a few that we need to finish up, along with some of the plants that you would have seen through the pathway that haven't been planted down in the ground. But that part where I've got the pots up on the post has just been a beautiful addition. I just absolutely love it. And as the roses go up over the arbors, and I can't wait, you know what I mean? I get excited, but then I know there's been such a great difference so far, so it's just, I know this garden just gets, you know, more and more beautiful. So it's just kind of one of those exciting things to watch it grow and to see how it grows. So what I'm going to do at the very end, I've got, this was one of the major, the pathway was the major project that was going to happen this year, and the vegetable garden. And now I've got the pathway done. I'm real close to being complete with the vegetable garden and getting ready to plant, and I'll have that video. And, you know, do the rock around the boxes and whatnot. Once I have that done and everything is done, and I've trimmed back and I've got it looking really pretty, I'm gonna do a final, not end of season, but just a final garden tour for this year, for 2020. Maybe it'll just be kind of like a spring 2020 tour, just so that you can see it as a whole, how it's doing, and just see how beautiful it's become. So stay tuned for that. It'll probably be in the next 2 to 3 weeks, I would say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did enjoy you know, getting my creative juices going, and kind of some of the design ideas and aspects. I think it's just beautiful. I'm really excited and happy for this this pathway. Thank you to my great friends at Monster Construction. They did an amazing job here in Arizona. So if you're in Arizona and you need any, I believe they do iron, they do little block walls, pathways, pavers, driveways, that kind of thing. They are amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate it. I hope you would take 2 seconds to subscribe and turn on your notification buttons so you know when all my videos are coming out. We post on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I also have my website and blog, which is always linked below in the description, and I have blog posts, new blog posts that come out every Sunday. And typically, not every single time, but a lot of times there is a free printable in there just to say thank you. And I just hope it is good information that you find helpful for you and your family. So have a great day. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you. Watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Give me all your love.